Coming with another DYU branded e-bike. This is called the King 750. Obvious to say that we have a 750 watt motor. This is a mountain bike style frame, and it comes with 26-inch fat tires, which is 26 by 4 inches. You get a very nice battery on this particular model, which is a 48 volt 20 amp hour LG battery. It does have a maximum range between 40 miles, 45 miles, and 80 miles approximately, depending on which mode you use it on. If you have it on eco mode or if you're doing full throttle and not pedal assist, it all depends. It's like a combination of what you're doing. That's how the battery life will be on this particular model. It does have a maximum speed of 28 miles an hour, which is very fast if you guys ask me. And it does have dual suspension as well. It comes with a very nice LCD display. The cool part about this model, as I said, is the hydraulic brakes. Stopping power should be very, very good on this particular bike. It comes with a 7-speed Shimano derailleur, and the list goes on. It does have front. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the box and see what comes with it. Alright guys, so today we're going to do something different here with the DYU King 750. We're going to go on a ride in West Palm Beach, and of course here we have my buddy with the Van Powers. And yes guys, let's go ahead and have some fun and see how this thing really performs. So one of the first tests we will perform here is a speed test. This is pedal assist number 1. And we are doing about 16 miles an hour. Let's try pedal assist 2. This is throttle only, by the way. This will take us to about 21 miles an hour. That's pedal assist 2. And of course, now we have pedal assist 3. So it has 3 modes only. And this is throttle only. And now we will do about 27. It takes a little while to get there, but the maximum speed, guys, we can get out of this thing is about 27. We're doing about 25, but I ran out of road. So the maximum we got with my weight here is about 25 miles an hour, and they claim that it can do up to 28. I have gone 28. But I guess we are on a slight incline, and that's why we weren't able to do the actual 28, guys. I'm not sure if you guys can see that straight ahead, but that's Donald Trump's airplane right over there, guys. I'm not too far from his house. This bike, suspension-wise, is handling great. Now, keep in mind that we're not doing off-roading right now. Obvious to say that we are in the downtown area of West Palm Beach, so we don't have a lot of off-roading to do here. But when I hit little bumps like this one right here, it does it, you know, it takes it quite nice. It's not bottoming out either. Now, just keep in mind that we only have the seat suspension on the rear. We don't have an actual suspension from the crate. It does help a lot having it on the seat post, but we never know how long that's gonna last, guys. Besides that, this thing is handling great. I love the all-terrain tires. Also, if I forgot to mention, this bike is IP54 certified. So if we get caught in the rain, it's not recommended for you to submerge it into the water, but it'll sustain rain. And the tires are puncture proof. We are reaching the beach from here. And wow, what a beautiful scenery, guys. You have a little bay area here. Check this out. Wow. Amazing, guys. Check this out. We have the bridge here. This is the intercoastal of West Palm Beach. So that straight ahead is like a little island. And then after that, you have the beach. All right, guys, now that we are getting to the beach, before we get there, there's going to be a lot more people. So this is a great opportunity to test the brakes. And so I'm going to go a little bit faster here. You're about 21 miles an hour. But let's make a sudden stop. And I just locked the rear wheel. It took a good, going 20 miles an hour, it took a good, 12 feet approximately to come to a complete stop. Now we are on the coast of West Palm Beach. Soon we're gonna be seeing the beach, and around this area we have just beautiful mansions. I would have to guess each house here, minimum, is at least $5 million. That's just my best guess, guys. But this area is beautiful.